The UN has warned that 60% of Afghanistan's 38 million people are facing hunger or starvation. There is a dire humanitarian crisis looming which has consequences not only for the people of Afghanistan, but indeed us as neighbors, the region and beyond. With this in mind, on the 19th of December, Pakistan will host an extraordinary session of the Organization of the Islamic Cooperation to mobilize support for providing adequate food, medicine and housing to millions of Afghans in dire distress. Indeed, I believe Pakistan hosting the OIC Extraordinary Meeting of Foreign Ministers on Afghanistan is in line with the leadership role the country has demonstrated in the region. From facilitating peace talks to showing tremendous leadership across unprecedented rescue and evacuations, to working closely with international partners for humanitarian outreach and bringing together neighboring countries of Afghanistan and international stakeholders for a coordinated approach. Pakistan continues to work at every level for a stable, peaceful and prosperous regional future.